Welcome, children. Take out your Radiant Reader book, Chapter 29 The Way of the Jungle, Part 1. Let me tell you the story in gist. Once upon a time, a grass cutter was carrying a load of grass on his head and was passing through the jungle. On his way, he met a tiger. The grass cutter turned to run away, but thinking it impossible to escape, he decided to listen to the tiger. The tiger at first asked the man for his frightening. Then he told the grass cutter if he hid the tiger in his load of grass, then surely he would treat him as his parents. The grass cutter had no weapon except a reaping hook. Finding no other option, he readily agreed at the strange request. When the grass cutter talked about his size and weight, the tiger told that in such a case he had no other option but to eat him up. So the grass cutter untied the rope and the tiger crept in the middle of the grass. The grass cutter then tied the rope again and carried the burden on his head. On his way, he met a hunter with a gun. The hunter asked him if he had seen the tiger, which is a dangerous man-eater. To save the tiger, the grass cutter said no and passed on his own way. Now let me give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. What happened when the grass cutter was passing through the jungle? Answer. When the grass cutter was passing through the jungle, he met a tiger on his way. Question 2. Why did the grass cutter think that escape was not possible? Answer. The grass cutter thought that escape was not possible because he was far away from his home and the mighty tiger with his power of springing could catch him in one bound. Question 3. How did the grass cutter know that the tiger wanted to speak? Answer. When the grass cutter saw that the tiger ceased lashing his tail and looked gently at him, at that time, the grass cutter came to know that the tiger wanted to speak. Question 4. What strange request did the tiger make? Answer. The tiger requested the grass cutter to hide him in his load of grass. Then he would treat him as his parents. Question 5. Why could the grass cutter not refuse this request? What difficulty did he point out? Answer. The grass cutter could not refuse this request because he had no other option. He pointed out that he had no weapon to defend himself except that of his reaping hook with which none can fight with a tiger. Question 6. How did the grass cutter finally carry out the tiger's wish? Answer. To carry out the tiger's wish, the man lowered his bundle of grass and untied it. At once, the tiger crept in the middle of the grass and the grass cutter tied it again, then carried the load on his head and walked out on his way. And with this, I am ending my today's